Universal set. Universal set is a set which contain a group of objects or elements which are available in all the sets. It is represented by this symbol. For example, let set A having element 1, 2, 3, set B having element 2, 4, 5, 6, set C having element 1, 3, 5, 7. So the universal set of these three sets are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Some operations on set. First, union of two set. This symbol is employed to denote the union of two set. Thus, this set is read as A union B, and this set defined as the set that consists of all the elements belonging to either set A or set B or both. For example, let set A consist of three elements A, B, C, and set B consist of 5 elements A, B, C, D, E. Then in this, the union of set A and B consists of only 5 elements rather than 8, that is A, B, C, D, E. Second, intersection of two sets is denoted by this symbol, and thus this set is read as A intersection B. And this is defined as set composed of all elements that belong to both set A and B. For example, if we go through our above example where set A consists of 3 elements A, B, C and set B consists of 5 elements A, B, C, D, E, then in this case only element A, B, C will consider, as we can see that A, B, C is only element which are present in both the set, not D, E. Difference of two sets. The difference of set B from set A is denoted by A minus B, and it is the set where all the elements of set A that are not present in set B. Let set A having element 2, 3, 4 and set B having element 4, 5, 6. Now A minus B means elements which are present in set A but not in set B. Therefore, A minus B is equal to element 2 and 3, as we can see that 2 and 3 is the only element which are present in set A but not in set B, and mathematically it is represented by x, element x, which belongs to set A but does not belongs to set B. Similarly, the difference of set A from set B, denoted by B minus A, and it is a set where all the element of set B that does not belongs to set A. For example, let set A having element 2, 3, 4 and set B having element 4, 5, 6. Now B minus A is equal to 5 and 6, as we can see that 5 and 6 is the only element which are present in set B but not in set A, and mathematically it is represented as x is the element of set B minus A, where x is belongs to set B but does not belongs to set A. Symmetric difference of sets. The symmetric difference of sets is nothing but combination or union of A minus B and B minus A. So let two set A and B. The symmetric difference of set A and B is the set A minus B union of B minus A, and it is denoted by A triangle B. Let us understand it by example. Let set A having element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and set B having element 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we know A minus B is equal to 1 and 2, as we can see that 1 and 2 is the only element which are present in set A, not in set B, and B minus A is equal to 6, as element 6 is only present in set B but not in set A. Therefore, set A minus B union of set B minus A is equal to 1, 2 and 6, and hence symmetric difference of two sets, that is A triangle B is equal to 1, 2 and 6. Complement of set. It is denoted by A dash. It is set of all elements given in universal set U that are not in A. To elaborate this, let us understand it in detail. Let any universal set U having element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and A be the another set which is also the subset of U, that is A is a set or A is a subset of U containing element 1, 2, 3. So complement of set A is equal to element 4, 5, as we can see that 4, 5 is the only element which are present in universal set but not in its subset. Sixth, disjoint set. Two sets are said to be disjoint sets if they have no element in common, or we can say that intersection of two sets A and B, if equal to the null set, then set A and B are called disjoint sets. For example, let set A having element 1, 2, 3 and set B having element 4, 5, 6. Here set A and B are said to be disjoint set as they have no element in common at all.